Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you how to create this super simple, beginner-friendly smoky eye that takes less than 2 minutes to create. Because whenever I have clients that want to learn how to create a smoky eye at home but don't feel like they have either the time, the tools, or the skills to do it, this is normally the look that I tend to go for just because it is so very simple and time efficient. So let's just get started. So we're going to be using 4 eyeshadows ranging from lightest to darkest, and I'm only going to use one eyeshadow brush for the whole look to keep it extra simple, and the one I'm using is the Real Techniques Base Shadow Brush, which I highly recommend to anyone just starting out since it's great for both packing on shadow as well as blending it out, and it's really affordable too. So first you're going to want to take your lightest highlighting shade and place that all over your eyelid, mainly focusing on the inner 2/3, and then put some on your brow bone and in the inner corner of your eye for a nice highlight. Then take your medium shadow and blend that all through your crease to create a soft transition. Then you want to place your darker shadow on the outer third of your eyelid and then lightly blend it up into your crease. Taking the same color, just place that on the outer half of your bottom lash line just to tie the eye together and get a nice all-round smoky effect. Then take a kohl eye pencil and trace that all along your upper lash line, making the line a little bit thicker on the outer corner just to give the eye a bit of a lift. I'm using a black pencil for this, but it works just as well with a brown or a gray if you prefer that. I also placed it on my waterline for a more intense look. Then taking your darkest shadow, you want to place that on top of the kohl pencil just on the outer corner and smoke it out a bit so it's not as harsh. I'm also taking it up a little bit into the crease. And that is it for the eyeshadow, so then just put on a couple of coats of your favorite mascara and then you are good to go. Simple as that. I really hope that you found this video helpful if you are struggling with smoky eyes or just looking for a quick way to do one. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!